my name's Katharine, and in this Halloween online workshop I'm going to show you how to make these hanging pumpkin decorations using paper. So to create your pumpkin you'll need some orange card, some green card, a ruler, some glue, a pencil and some scissors. So the first thing you need to do is measure your strips of orange card. So I'm making all of my strips 1/2 inch wide. So here I'm just moving on to a different coloured orange sheet of card. So you can keep all of your strips one colour if you like. I just felt like trying out 2 different shades. So now I'm just going to go through my orange coloured strips and trim some of them. So you're going to need 4 different lengths of coloured card and you'll need 2 of each length. And here I'm just going to glue the very tops of my shortest lengths of card and I'm going to stick the ends of them together, and this is going to make the middle of our pumpkin. And I'm just going to bend that out just to encourage it to start curving. So now I'm just going to start adding all the other strips of card, again just attaching them at the top and the bottom of the strip. So going from the shortest on the inside to the longest on the outside. I've tried to use glue at the beginning of this clip, but you'll see I move on to staples by the end. And then I'm just going to draw some leaf shapes into the green card. Now we're going to be cutting these out and curling them around a pencil, so try and make them quite long so you get the curl effect. And once you've finished trying different placements for your leaves, you can stick them on. I'm going to staple them again to the top of my pumpkin. I'm going to try and staple them all in one go. And then all it's left to do is to attach a loop at the top. Now I'm using brown wool, but you can use whatever you like. It could be string or coloured wool. And I'm just going to staple that onto the top of my pumpkin. Make sure to staple both sides so the string stays in place. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed making your Halloween decoration. And if you enjoyed making your decoration, make sure to watch all our other online workshops which are available on our YouTube. Also sign up to our newsletter to get information about our upcoming in real life workshops.